Hello everyone, this is me Mehdi Shakil and you are watching SS Tech Tutorial. It almost 1.5 years I use this Motospeed CK888 mechanical keyboard and I am very satisfied with this Motospeed keyboard. So I ordered another Motospeed mechanical keyboard which is CK104 from Banggood.com. Also I have quite experience of different price mechanical keyboard like $5 mechanical keyboard and $10 mechanical keyboard also. You will find those keyboard review on my channel. But I fall in love with this Motospeed keyboard, which are very low budget original mechanical keyboard. So in this video I am going to review Motospeed CK104 and also compare with my old one Motospeed CK888. So without talking too much, let's get started. So guys, let's start with a quick unboxing of Motospeed CK104 mechanical keyboard. Into the box you will get a key opener, a user manual and a warranty card. And also the keyboard itself, which is protected by some foam material. So guys, here is our Motospeed Inflector CK104 mechanical keyboard. This keyboard comes with USB 2.0 and you will see the Motospeed logo on the USB. The USB cable quality are very good and this USB neck protector protect the USB wire and you can bend the cable in any way. The main difference of CK888 and CK104 is CK888 made with ABS plastic and comes with a mouse combo in $55 where CK104 made with aluminum alloy and comes in $50. Both of those keyboard you will get a table mount on back which also protected with foam and it helps stack your keyboard tight on table. It feels comfortable using this keyboard mounting on table. Upper side of this keyboard has aluminum finish which is very smooth and it won't get your fingerprint on it. Most important thing about the mechanical keyboard is the switches. The Motospeed Inflector mechanical keyboard comes with Automi blue clicky switches which is very interesting. And here is a quick sound test of these switches. When you first time connect it, it comes with different lighting effect. To reset the keyboard, press function and escape key. Also you will get different gaming function on 1 to 5 key using the function key. Also there is a lot of more RGB light effect that you can change it by function plus insert key. And you can change the color intensity and the color wave speed with the function plus arrow keys. In my opinion, both of this Motospeed mechanical keyboard CK888 and CK104 is good enough in $50 to $55. If you want to get one of this keyboard, check the description below to get the best buy link. You can buy it from those links because Banggood support worldwide delivery on 7 to 15 days. So guys, I hope you like this video, so give it a big thumbs up and share this video. And if you are new on my channel, please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more upcoming video tutorial and press the bell icon for the notification. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks for your watching. I am Mehdi Shakil, you are watching SS Tech Tutorial and I am signing out.